Hey, I'm Tobias. This smart vacuum looks flawless, but beneath the surface, it's troubled by 3 formidable obstacles. They are tiny hidden threats that could damage your device. To prevail, we have to face them inside their domain. Ready to solve this? Let's do it. We are going micro. Welcome to the circuit world. Obstacle number 1, the assembly aberration. It grows from human error, dust contamination and vibration, creating an environment that leads to incomplete mating of the FPC or FFC in the connector, leading to intermittent system failure. The Hirose solution is secured with one click by simply inserting the FPC or FFC. The high FFC or FPC retention force ensures secure locking, and it saves valuable assembly time by enabling single-handed or robotic insertion. Our one-action FFC or FPC connectors are engineered to be robust with a highly reliable 2-point contact design to prevent contact failure by dust. We solve the assembly aberration before it destroys your device. Obstacle number 2, the spatial anomaly. It blocks critical real estate on the circuit board, choking airflow and causing thermal overload. The Hirose solution is high heat resistance capability and a compact profile, creating performance through efficiency. Connectors like the DF40F can withstand 125 degrees high heat temperature, and the compact profile significantly reduces the mounting area. A wide variety of stacking heights allows flexible space options between the boards. We bypass the spatial anomaly and ensure your device runs cool. Obstacle number 3, the data disruptor. It floods your high-speed signals with noise and interference, breaking communication and slowing your device to a crawl. The Hirose solution is a fortified pipeline. Our 16 gigabit per second max high-speed connectors, such as the BEAM54, are meticulously engineered to maintain pure signal integrity and supports PCI Express Generation 4 and MIPI Di-Fi version 2.1. We conquer signal corruption. The data disruptor is neutralized and your smart device stays smart. Obstacles eliminated, mission accomplished. The power to overcome these tiny obstacles is in the quality of the connection. At Hirose, we build the connections that overcome the obstacles you never see. Small part, big victory. The Hirose solution.